Hey guys, it's Navy Boy, and I'm gonna play some more fake Gmod. Deathmatch, yeah. There we go. So how you guys doing? It's actually time to kill some people, but I'm probably gonna get killed because I've actually played this before, and everybody in the deathmatch edition uses rocket launchers no matter what. And it's really hard to jump over things, like, no joke. And I can't blame them, aiming in this. Oh gosh, yeah, see what I mean? The chances of me actually getting people with Yep, time to do this again and get utterly destroyed. See? They literally can just use rocket launchers. You know what? I'm gonna play the rocket launcher game. It's really hard. You actually have to be kind of skilled. You have to actually snipe people. Or else you just do it. Yeah. I died. Well, see, I'm gonna call this fake Gmod, Wrecked Edition. That's one more. Yeah, got somebody. Yeah. Did I do it? Or I think they're still alive. Oh no, I got them. I'm really paranoid. Yep. I have to stop moving. I'm really paranoid about how long. I can't record more than 15 minutes. And I usually want to make my videos as long as I possibly can. But I also don't want to record over 15 minutes or I'm going to have to cut the video. And I'm not good at that. And I'm already getting shot at. Who's shooting at me? Oh, there he is. But you also have to... Jumping is really hard to do. Because... isn't the worst, its placement isn't the wisest choice. And the icons, they're so, this map is literally the only map to choose for a deathmatch. And it's when the white floor icons mixed with the color. Gotcha. Got him. This is literally deathmatch. You just shoot people. You just shoot each other with rocket launchers. Am I getting? I'm literally just. Oh, I see him. See, there are some times where people actually use guns instead of the rocket launcher. I have 4 minutes. I think I'm gonna make this a 12-minute video. Of me just No, this is gonna be called Fake Gmod Rocket Launcher Edition. Why not? I think I got him. Yeah, jumping over things is almost impossible. Because you have to time it just right. And if you don't jump any. Yay! I'm having so much fun just like brutally murdering people. Whoa! Did I kill him? Yep, I killed him. That was weird. He like flew. That's weird. And my mic might not even work because it's been acting stupid lately. I think you take fall damage. Ah, he got me. 6 minutes? I'll make it. I think I'm gonna make it like 12 minutes at least. It's the least I can do. Bad jokes. YOLO. Let's do this. Oh. Like, you can see where each other are because you're name tag. Get them. Yep. Like, jumping and doing the rocket launcher is a really good thing. But I'm not good at jumping. Just makes me, like, an easy target. Oh, there's people. You can like, yep, I'm probably. Yep, we know. Can I like exit? Can I actually? Yeah, I can exit. Play. Yeah, ads. Yeah, let's go to this. Now, I'm gonna do some other things with the rocket launchers. Just look serverless. Free, yeah. My favorite thing is like pretty much like you not only have the ability to do death battle, but you also can like kill each other. If somebody like welded something together, you can just like shoot them and it's yep, and yeah. Yep, now I have to use my jumping skills to use. I don't think we can kill each other in here, but I think we can kill ourselves. So I'm like, oh, did I think I actually killed them. Like, aiming is really hard. And like, you can really annoy people with the rocket launcher because they can weld. Oh gosh, you got a tank. Get him. Boom. Boom. Oh, I was kicked. Oh no, I was kicked. Yeah, it's been 10 minutes. I think I should call it. Hope you have a wonderful day and a wonderful life.